You've been told that to be a great artist, you need to be in control. You need to bend the material to your will, to impose your vision onto the canvas, the stone, or the clay. But what if I told you that this one idea, this one habit of forcing control, is the very thing holding your art back? What if the secret to mastery isn't about fighting, but about listening? We all know this feeling. The clay is off-center, the paint isn't blending, the words won't come. Our first instinct is to push harder, to wrestle it into submission. We fight the material. We grip the clay tighter, we scrub the canvas. We stare at the blank page with frustration, but the more we force it, the more it resists. The wobble gets worse, the colors turn to mud, and the creative block becomes a solid wall. This struggle creates tension not just in our work, but within ourselves. We think we lack skill, when what we really lack is alignment. True control isn't about brute force, it's about sensitivity. It's about understanding the nature of your medium. Think of it like a dance. You don't drag your partner across the floor, you move with them. You feel the rhythm, you anticipate the next step, you work together. When your hands finally stop fighting the clay and start moving with it, something magical happens. You're no longer an opponent, you're a partner. You feel the pull of the wheel, the give of the water, the natural tendency of the form. You guide it. You suggest a direction. The clay responds, not because you forced it, but because you understood it. This principle extends far beyond the pottery wheel. It applies to every creative endeavor. A writer doesn't fight the story, they follow the characters. A musician doesn't battle their instrument, they learn its voice and coax out the melody. Control is not force. It's alignment. It's the subtle, powerful act of guiding the process instead of fighting it. When you align with your material, you tap into a deeper flow. The work stops being a struggle and starts becoming a collaboration. The wobble centers. The form rises. The art reveals itself, not because you conquered it, but because you allowed it to become. So the next time you feel that resistance, take a breath. Loosen your grip. Instead of asking, how can I make this do what I want? Ask, what does this material want to do? Listen to its properties, respect its limits, and guide its potential. When you stop fighting and start guiding, you unlock a level of creation that force could never achieve. You become a conduit for the art, not just a creator of it. Try this shift in mindset and watch how your entire creative process transforms. Thanks for watching. If this idea resonated with you, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more insights into the creative journey. See you next time.